super excited to share with you today our new listing in Esplanade Lake Club right here in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. It is a twin villa and it's brand new and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's take a look. So this is a side-by-side twin villa built by Pulte here in Esplanade Lake Club. And one of the best things about the side-by-side villa is the 2-car garage that comes with it. Very stylish and modern looking. You can see cute lampposts and check out this adorable little entryway. You have a little courtyard area here. Could set up something real sweet. And I like the way they do this where it gives you your own private entrance. All right, coming in here through the door. First thing you're gonna notice, this place is amazing. It has been professionally designed and decorated by a local company here called Prime Design Interiors. Absolutely incredible work. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with the main living areas. You do have a den set up right here. This property is being sold furnished, so everything you see will come with it. It has a lot of extra lighting. Crown molding has been added, upgraded lights and fans, and as you can see, plantation shutters. All right, let's take a walk down into the main area here. So you can see the Ellenwood villa has nice open living, upgraded quartz counters, upgraded backsplash, white cabinets. This is a gas community, which is awesome. And one of the things that's so amazing about Esplanade Lake Club is, first of all, the location. You are 5 to 10 minutes from the international airport, 5 minutes or less to an awesome new hotspot called Backyard Social that has recently opened, where they've got food trucks set up, TVs, awesome place to go hang out. You're right by Gulf Coast Town Center. And don't worry, you're still only about 10 or 15 minutes to Coconut Point Mall. Less than that to get to Miromar Outlets, right around the corner from Florida Gulf Coast University, and about 20 to 30 minutes from our awesome award-winning beaches. The location doesn't get much better than what you get with this incredible villa here in Esplanade Lake Club. You can see they've added some custom features with the trim work on the wall, coordinates with the rest of the design. And then I love this. So this is typically an open area, but they have added a built-in entertaining spot, including a beverage fridge. Beautiful. We're gonna take a look at the primary suite. All the same high-end finishes have carried through. You can see the lovely decor and furniture, the custom trim crown molding that was added to the tray ceiling. I do want to point out the 4 extra can lights there, which is an upgrade. Those are not always included. Gives you lots of extra light in here. Good size bedroom. You can see the furniture is good size. This is a king bed. And let's carry on into the bathroom ensuite. So quartz counters carried in to the bathroom, coordinate with the kitchen. The mirror has been framed out. The crown molding is carried into even the bathroom. And frameless glass shower door with a bench and tiled all the way up to the ceiling. You do have a linen closet here and a water closet, and then your walk-in owner's closet here at the end. This villa is impact glass, which is really nice, and it actually comes with a nice size screened-in lanai. What's awesome is that 2 different things about this. One, you actually can add a pool to these villas, and this room, this backyard gives you plenty of room to do that if you were so inclined. Some people choose to just bump out and extend their lanai area. You have plenty of room to do either of those if you so desire. We are heading back through and we are going to check out your second bedroom and bathroom up towards the front of the home. For a second bedroom, again, this is a good size. You can see again that the crown molding has been carried throughout the entire home. And lovely furniture in here as well. Continuing along with the same theme. So Esplanade Lake Club is a special neighborhood. It actually is a boatable community. They do have a marina up at the main amenity center. There are some lots in here that do offer docks in the backyard, but there is also a boat ramp. And just want to kind of point out, again, the glass shower door has been added on top of the tub in here. And the mirror has been framed out as well as the same crown molding. So back to the amenities at Esplanade. So the Esplanade communities are known for their active lifestyle, for the different types of events that they run, and they are very fun and active. As much as you want to do, you are able to do in these communities. They have a lifestyle director, and the amenities are clearly top notch. There is a restaurant and bar out by the pool in this neighborhood. So one other thing I do want to point out that is unique to this villa is that they have added a closet. Normally that would just be a cutout, but in here it has been turned into a closet. And you know I love closets, and who doesn't want more closet space? That's right. So we have made our way back to the front door, but there's a little more to see. So you do capture one extra little closet here. Nice, right outside of the laundry room. That does contain storage, and it's a nice size dedicated laundry room with a pocket door here. This is the one. Look how big this extra closet is here right off of the garage. I love it. And last but definitely not least, 2-car garage, as I said, and this one's got epoxy flooring, beautiful color that goes along with the rest of the decor of the home. And it also has the addition of the upgraded sink out here. There is your water heater, and this is a gas community, again, just to remind you. What did you think? What an incredible villa. If you're interested in learning more about this villa, you can contact me directly, phone, text at 239-776-6872. If you have questions about what's happening in our Southwest Florida market, because real estate is hyper-local, then I would love to talk with you. Would love to share with you more about Southwest Florida, whether it's this community or a different community. We always have something for everyone, depending on what it is that you're looking for, and we would love to help you live joy in Southwest Florida.
And now my love for you is so strong, girl.